Okay, I think I got it all masked off good enough for me. I was going to paint it blue, so then it wouldn't even have mattered that much at all, but I'm going to go ahead and try the green, see what it comes out as. All right, on the camera it looks really bright green, but it's really not that bright. It's more like a Shrek almost. But dang, that was one can and it barely covers it, so I may have to do the 2 cans I have, then let it dry for a day or 2, and then I'll have to come back and probably do one more coat after that. So I'm probably going to, I think I'm going to end up putting 4 cans on here, but we'll see. Okay, well, it's looking pretty good. I gotta put the choke back on and be very careful with my paint job. Guess these wheels are working. These are all my cans for my aluminum project. I've about got well, even just odds and ends of some solid aluminum pieces, you know, from stuff like this. But I got a whole trash can full here that I need to get melted down. And I got a few projects for that. I want to make a little bowl for melting lead in and stuff. But all right, now it's time. Oh, I think that's actually off the van, which we don't have anymore. It's a starter belt. I don't remember what the linkage goes to. This stuff has been sitting over here for about a year, maybe a year and a half now. But I'm making progress, and that's been my goal, is go back to the basics and do a list. I'm gonna take all this out and clean it up real good, spray it off with the power washer. And wow, I just opened up a section of my garage that I can actually walk and use again now. But yeah, one little project each weekend, and I'm making progress. Well, looks like Phil's back from filling up the propane and switching out the tires on that ATV. My mom had some really knobby tires on there, and it just tears up the grass. So, but she had the originals, so we went ahead and we're just switching them out with those. They're a little bit smoother and shouldn't be so bad on this tearing up our yard and this sand and stuff. So anyway, but hopefully we'll get those put on and get that thing working again and moving on. So, and then our propane, 3 bottles of propane, and I run out on the grill because I'm too lazy to go down there and get it. All right, well, I'm gonna get to work on putting this thing back together and cleaning up the parts and putting this back together and stuff, and get the tires put back on this, get our trailer taken around to the back, and that's about it for the rest of the day today. All right, so we got this winch wired back up, and we welded this little bracket on here to hold the box. It was just zip tied in here kind of like this and hanging, so we just put a little bracket right there, and I guess it still got wet paint, and just used it and some of those, you know, self-tapping screws and screwed it down to that. Now it's nice and secure, won't be bouncing around. And Phil's finishing up putting these older tires on there, so hopefully that won't tear up the yard as much. Slowly but surely, keep to a list and you'll get things accomplished. Get outside, do something, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.